Hey guys, good afternoon. This is 1:30 in the afternoon on the 16th of June. Another week has started, one day is already gone, and I've been up since about 10:15. My sleep cracked. I slept pretty late last night, like I said in the last night's review. I slept about 1:32, and then my sleep cracked in the morning about 5:30. In 4 hours. Then I was up for about an hour, and thankfully I managed to sleep again. Otherwise, I wouldn't be able to operate at all today. So, but I did manage to sleep about 6:30. Then I woke up at 10:15 when the guy who basically collects Kuda every day, he came and he rang the doorbell. I'd asked my house help to come late at 10:30, but she came at 11 because she was like, I was waiting. I thought you were outside. Mamta is cute. So she came about 11, then she went about 12. So it's been one and a half hours since then. I had breakfast and I had lunch also, like very quick because I was really hungry. I had breakfast, a slice of bread with butter, then I got hungry. So I had rajma chawal, some of it was left. So I had breakfast and lunch in quick succession. I have a gym marathon today, so it makes me nervous, the gym marathon. Because it's really hard, but one of my tattoos says do fucking hard, so I got to do fucking hard. The gym marathon today starts at 6 p.m. goes on till 9:30 p.m. I expect to run, do 2 strength classes, upper body and chest, and dance. So all of that. So Tuesday is a gym marathon because tomorrow I'm going to take a break from the gym. Wednesday I'm going to take a break now, because otherwise I don't find the time to take a break, and I really tire my body. So for now I'm just walking a bit because I had lunch, and after that I plan to go out a bit and work from there, because if I stay home I'll get very loud. So I plan to go to a cafe and work from there. There are the other things also considering in terms of financial things, for example, administrative things. Some of the shit I thought of yesterday, which I'll be working on. Of course, I'll keep you updated. Whatever I do, you'll know, right? Because even if I fall sick, right, I haven't missed a single vlog since I started. I just posted my 60th vlog today. So regardless of what is happening in terms of views or whatever, sticking or not, I'm posting a vlog every day of my life. Even when I'm sick, at least I can post a 90 seconds day review, right? So there'll always be a vlog. As long as I'm alive, there will be a vlog. Okay. Cool. I wish you a great day, a great evening, whatever time of the day you are at. Try to be happy. Smile right now. Sometimes it takes a lot of effort to smile because we are bogged down with the weight of life. But make an effort to smile. See, I do it like that. If you try to smile, the smile comes. If you try to smile, the smile comes. Okay? So try to smile, try to be happy. Try to do things that make you happy, even if you do them a few hours a day. And the idea is to make time for them, make more and more time for them. Okay? So, okay, cool. I'll catch you up later on the vlog. For now, I think I'll go out in a few minutes to work. Conversations with Mamta, my house help. उसको मैंने आज 10:30 बजे बुलाया था और 11 बजे तक आई नहीं वो. तो मैंने उसको कॉल किया. मैंने कहा तुम आई क्यों नहीं? उसने कहा आप कॉल क्यों नहीं किए? मैं नीचे बैठी थी. मैंने बोला था 10:30 आ जाना. मैं सोचा आप बाहर हो. I'm feeling guilty कि वो बेचारी 1 घंटा बैठी. दिल मेरा खुद से है कह रहा तू ख्वाब सजा. Amit Tiwari was on stage, I think the night before or whatever, I don't remember, and he was doing crowd work, and there was a girl he was talking to who had a breakup, and Amit says ब्रेकअप हो गया आपका. सो तो क्या हो गया? ये तो सबके साथ होता है. दिस इज लाइक वैक्सीनेशन, सबको लगनी है. what a funny and at the same time poignant thing to say. I mean, it stuck with me. And we live in interesting times because there's so much pain in the world, and still the world just goes on. Nobody gives a fuck. So it's all there. These are the most interesting times to live in. Life has never been this interesting before. Sabko vaccination lagni hai, bro. Hey guys, just left the cafe. I was here for the last 4 hours, and I'm heading back home now. I'm gonna rest a bit because I have a gym marathon starting at 6. It's 4:40 right now, and I gotta rest a few minutes before I hit the gym. It's a 3.5 hours marathon. The last 3-4 hours were very productive. I started writing the Gurgaon book. It's called Gurgaon, the Rich City That Must Cry. I love the title. And I've also started reading Daniel Kahneman's Thinking Fast and Slow. So 2 great initiatives started, right? So pretty happy with the last 3-4 hours. Just gonna rest a bit and then hit the gym for it's a long gym marathon. So I need a bit of a break before I start. I also have black coffee to get my energy for the session, and that's where we're heading. Cool. Hey guys, a day review. It was a pretty productive day. I'm saying productive because I managed to start a new book, which is happening after a long time. I don't remember the last time. I've written a lot of books over the last few years, 10 years, but it's been a while I've written a new one. So I've started a new book. It's on Gurgaon. It's called Gurgaon, the Rich City That Must Cry. I'll explain that in the book, obviously. I was planning to take a break from the stage today, but I did manage to hit a spot at a comedy theatre. I just did that. Good spot. I managed to make 3 Haryanvis laugh. So I can make almost any audience laugh now, I guess. Kids, elders, Haryanvis. The other highlight of the day, which was the main highlight of the day, I guess, is I did the Tuesday marathon. The second marathon I did last Tuesday I started, and today I hit like 3.5 hours in the gym. 2 hours of strength, some running, and 1 hour dance class. So crazy. I'm just literally doing this to test the strength of my body and my cardiovascular health. So I think things are fine. So I'm happy with the day overall. Started the book. I'm happy with the book. It's just started. It's going well. So let's see how that comes out. So okay, that's largely it for the day. Good night. Bye.